One of the most Googled questions in history is, how do I make money? Wrong question. Let me show you why. Look at this chart. This is Google Trends data going back 20 years. And how to make money has been searched consistently every single year. Millions of people. Same question, same frustration, because they're all asking the wrong thing. Everyone's chasing money, hustling, grinding, running themselves into the ground. And according to a Gallup report, over 60% of workers worldwide feel disengaged at work, putting in the effort, but not seeing the reward. Why? Because effort alone was never the answer. Here's what nobody tells you. You can't make money, you can only earn it. And there's a massive difference. Picture this. Someone has $10 in their pocket. The only way that money moves to you, give them something worth more than $10 to them. A product, a service, a solution. That's it. That's the whole game. Money is just a tool, medium to exchange value. Look at this chart. These are the top 10 highest paid professions in the world. Notice something? They're not the ones who work the longest hours. They're the ones who solve the most expensive problems. Surgeons, lawyers, engineers, software developers, every single one of them paid for the value of the problem they solve, not the hours they clock. Think about every person you've ever paid. The mechanic who fixed your car, the creator who made you laugh, the teacher who changed how you think. You didn't pay them because they worked hard, you paid them because they made your life better. That's the switch most people never flip. And according to a McKinsey report, the skills that will command the highest pay over the next decade: problem solving, creativity, and the ability to create value at scale. Not time, not effort, value. Effort without value is just exhaustion. But the moment you solve a real problem, money stops being something you chase and starts being something that finds you. Look at this chart one more time. This tracks income growth across different types of workers over the last 30 years. The ones whose income flatlined, trading time for money. The ones whose income compounded, they found a way to package their value and scale it. Value doesn't have one face. It can be a product, something physical or digital people want to own. A service, a skill you perform that saves someone time, money, or stress. Knowledge, teaching what you know to someone who needs it. Or even entertainment, making someone's day a little lighter. Someone needed something and someone else provided it. According to a Harvard Business Review report, the most financially successful people share one trait. They didn't just work hard, they identified a specific need and filled it better than anyone else. The form doesn't matter, the need does. Find what people are already desperate for and build your value around that. So here's the only mindset shift you need. Stop asking, how do I make money? Start asking, what solution do people want? Because money, it's just the world's way of saying thank you. And once you've found a problem worth solving, the next step is scale. The more people you help, the more value you create. And the more value you create, the more wealth you can build. That's how businesses grow. That's how millionaires are made. And that's how some people eventually become billionaires. If this video changed how you think about money, consider subscribing for more insights on wealth, business, and personal growth.